So here is the end result once all the materials have been applied to each grass strand. So it's looking pretty good actually. We can do a test render really quickly to see how it does look like once it's rendered. So now the camera, go to top view and just try and move it. I'm open up the focal length and give it a quick test render so to see how it does actually look like. So here is the render and how it does look like. I think it's pretty nice. It's not that ugly. As I said, the elements on the image will be really small, and the lightning will come from behind, so we are not gonna see too much of the details. So I think it's pretty a good start. We can tweak later on the materials based on the result we want to achieve. So in my opinion, we can add some translucency, I think, or yeah. Okay, so we are good with this image. I think we'll leave it like this, and we'll try to enhance the material once we start placing the objects and doing all the final lighting, etc. So let's move on to texturing and shading the water lilies, or the lotus leaves, if I could say. So see you just in a minute.